I'm sure naghanap ka ng magandang desktop PC na compact, small, yet malaki ang display. Today in this video, papakita ko sa inyo yung bagong setup ko. I have here is a Xiaomi na 27-incher na monitor. Meron din ako dito Chewy na AU box na mini PC powered by the AMD Ryzen 7. And of course, meron akong dalawang Rapu na keyboard and mouse combo na pwede ko pagpilian. This is the 8210M and this is the 9350S. Compact keyboard, full keyboard. Tara, setup tayo. Now, ganito ang aking minimalist setup. Lalo if you don't have too much space to put on your table, very, very nice itong setup natin. So, ito ang aking Xiaomi na 27-inch na gaming monitor. And one of the things na mapapansin ko mo dito is that it's right now running 144 Hz screen refresh rate and the bezel is very thin. No? One of the thinnest na nakita ko on the monitor is a little bit thicker dito sa ilalim and we have the Xiaomi logo there. Diba? Medyo mas makapal ng konti ang kanyang bezel dito sa ilalim. Now, very sturdy ang kanyang stand. No? And yung likod niya, yung white na stand niya, may nakasunod G series, which looks pretty dope, no? Black and white na combination. Now, here's the navigation button if you want to play with it. Ang dami mong pwedeng gawin dito, no? And sa ilalim, you'll be able to see connectivity, either you use a DP port or a HDMI port, and meron pa siyang audio port dito sa ilalim, which is very handy if you ask me. Now, right now, gamit natin itong compact na keyboard and mouse ni Rapu, and I would say na very silent ang kanyang typing experience. I love it. Sobrang nipis, no? And it's rechargeable. That's one of the things na gusto ko. Ayaw ko na yung kinakabit ako pa ng battery. No? And this one right now, naka-dongle tayo all the way papunta dito sa ating PC. No? Which comes together with a Ryzen 7 on Chewy na AU box natin. 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage. You know, ito yung mga ano natin, ports. No? We have isang C port, dalawang A port to Kensington lock. And on the other side, yung heatsink niya. Sa likod, tingnan na natin quickly, no? Yan. We have two more USB port, HDMI port, DP port, isa pang C port. This is yung audio, no, and power port. Dalawang LAN port sa ilalim. And of course, dito sa ilalim, we have your heatsink. Yan. Yung may fan siya sa ilalim. Basically, that rounds out yung mini PC natin na Chewy, which I think this is aluminum metal na frame. And we have here is yung ating power button. Solid na solid tong ano, no. Pwede mo i-mount sa likod ng yung monitor if you like. Pero it's a little bit tricky lang nga, no. So hindi ko muna siya minount sa likod. And by the way, before I proceed, pakita ko lang din itong isang keyboard ni Rapu na full-size keyboard. This one gamit niya ano, no, battery na siya. AA na battery, no. So based on experience, if you're mahilig sa mga number crunching and madalas kang gumamit ng Excel, the numpad is definitely going to be a very helpful one for you. So, depends sa iyong need. This is the full size na keyboard ni Rapu. And probably one of the highlights dito Ken is yung mga shortcut keys na dito, which is going to be very helpful kung mahilig ka sa multimedia, like videos, audios. Yan, perfect na perfect to. So right now, check lang natin experience natin on this PC and on this monitor. Now, based sa aking CPU profiling dito sa 3D Mark, this is the score that I got. Dito sa ating processor, which is the AMD Ryzen 7 na 8745HS. And the kanyang graphics is a built-in na AMD Radeon na 780M na graphics. Now, watching 4K videos dito, supported naman itong monitor na ito. And it gives you a really nice and vibrant colors dito, whatever you watch, kahit mga music video, Korean drama, mga basketball games, and just anything na gusto mo panoorin dito, no? I would suggest na kung gusto mo isagad dito sa kanya, punta lang kayo sa settings ng YouTube, lagay mo yung quality, lagay mo sa 4K to get the most out of the video that you're watching on YouTube. Kung Netflix, kaya din naman ng HD content as well. since malapit na rin ang NBA season, so I'm pretty sure na ma-enjoy ko rin to watching my favorite teams dito on this big screen. Now, tinry ko naman MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint dito. It is very seamless. So, wala kang maging problema sa kanya. And even Photoshop, wala rin problema dito sa kanya. Just that di ko pa na-try mag-video edit dito on Premiere Pro. Now, one of the things na nagustuhan ko dito, despite this one being a mini PC, meron siyang AMD na software na Adrenaline Edition. Now, you can play along dito kung ano gusto mo ikalikot to enhance yung experience mo dito. No? So, you can enable yung HyperRX na dito to give you a boost pagdating sa gaming, and you can optimize yung quality niya ng mga graphics. Now, tinry ko maglaro a quick game dito ng Cyberpunk, and yung graphics niya is a little bit low, no? Since this is not really meant to be a gaming PC, but at the very least, no, it's playable. Yung graphics niya is just a little bit lower. Just don't expect too much lang sa kanya, no? Kasi this is not meant to be a gaming PC, by the way. You know, makita na yung ano niya, lags niya. And overall, I would say na not bad and not good either pagdating sa gaming. Alam naman natin ang capability nitong GPU niya. It's just very basic lang. It can give you some basic na Premiere Pro editing. It can give you some basic games. Pero pagdating sa mga AAA games, I don't think na maganda ang magiging experience mo dito. But you can always lower down the graphical settings if you want to really play some games dito on this if you really want to play some games dito on this PC. But I would definitely advise you to get a better PC if you want to use it for gaming. Now, if you're in the office, gusto mo mag-browse, magbasa ng mga news, definitely this is going to be a good monitor para sa'yo. Kasi ang linaw niya ng display niya, no? Very wide and perfect na perfect to for consuming any content here on this screen. So now, if you're like me, medyo makalikot, so you can play together, you can play along dito on several modes dito, like game mode, na pwede mo palitan. Pwede mo lagay sa ibang mode if you want to go to for picture mode. Pwede rin advanced, no? So you can turn on FreeSync Premium input. So you either go for HDMI port or DP port. This is the menu setting. And this is the system na. And you can turn on LED lights, aspect ratio, language, and more about this monitor. So yun, nakita na yung full performance nitong setup natin. Definitely maganda display na ating Xiaomi gaming monitor na 27-inch dahil meron siyang 144Hz na screen refresh rate, perfect for gaming. And of course, yung Chewy na AU box natin is definitely powerful dahil Ryzen 7 na siya, 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. It's just perfect for your home, your office, or just simple gaming na setup. Best of all sa kanya, walang clutter dahil maliit lang yung mini PC. Kasi meron mga tao malilit lang naman spaces sa bahay, sa condo, ayaw nyo yung malaking desktop na meron natin dito sa ating studio. Perfect na perfect to para sa inyong setup. And of course, yung Rapuna keyboard mouse combo natin is just simply perfect. You can choose between a compact keyboard or a full-size keyboard. Both are working perfectly. It depends na lang sa inyong taste. So guys, kung gusto malaman ko saan ko nabili yung buong setup natin, I'll post the link on the description box below. Or just simply click the YouTube shopping na product link na lumilitaw sa inyong screen. And kung may alam kayo mga friends or relatives na naghanap ng mga compact setup na desktop, sharing this video is definitely appreciated. And of course, i-encourage ko kayo i-like and subscribe tong channel natin para makakita kayo ng more reviews, more setup like this one. So hanggang muli, ako nga pala si Richmond ng Gadget Psychic, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out. And so, ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Psychic. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.